All right, folks, Greg here again. We just installed the vent decal. While I've got this here, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the quick install for your Jeep name. We like to use the Rubicon font on these so it looks as close to factory. Typically, it's about 2 inches by 30 inches is what they are in the JT, the JL. Again, it's custom. You can really do whatever you want to do, but we try to stick with OEM. We did learn that you're about 3/4 inches from the bottom of that hood line to the bottom of that letter. So we're going to go ahead and mark that spot now, and then we'll make our tape line. Make as many as you want, more the better. And then I like to use this masking tape. Just clip right on top of those. All right. Now we're gonna find our center. You can measure if you want, or we can eyeball it. And remember, it's going to go to the bottom of the letter. You may have a little more extra on the mask itself. Let me get some tape. Again, this is air release vinyl. Should have no issues, no bubbles. I'm going to peel back half. This is the hinge method. Peel back half. Guys, it is that easy. Now I have a piece of PPF on the front of my hood, so you'll see a small crease here. I may shrink this down so you don't see it, but for now, let's see how this looks. You may need to go back and typically with the 2 layers that are pre-applied, you may get a little seam where those 2 colors meet. Just push that out. If you have anything that's problematic, you can also use a sharp blade, the tip. Yeah, it is that easy.